Precision vision helps you build a brand not distracted by noise, but guided by purpose. So visionaries are not just strategic, they're relentlessly intentional in their focus. So a final thought that I have on this podcast is, if your vision is your why, then your focus is your how. So that's my final thought for you. Just think about that for a minute. If you've got a why, this is your vision. This is why we're doing this. The focus is how you're going to achieve that vision. And when that focus is precise, intentional, and aligned with your long-term impact, it becomes a force that drives not just performance of your team, brand, company, whatever it is, but it's transformational and will make you generational. So in the coming episodes, we'll continue to explore each one of these traits and these principles that define some of the world's greatest visionaries that I outline in the book, The Visionary Leader, available for sale on June 30th. But for now, let's just sharpen your focus. Take a look at these 12 and move forward with clarity. So thank you again for listening to the Visionary Chronicles. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Visionary Chronicles. We've got more episodes coming up, as we always do, with generational leadership, disruptive innovation, behind-the-scenes strategies from some of the world's most iconic brands and leaders. And if you're part of our visionary community, I always want to thank you. I get comments all the time from people that have questions for me. And why I like hosting this myself is that hopefully, as I present these podcasts and present these ideas to you as a leader, you can reach out to me, ask me questions and follow-ups, and I'm able to answer that for you. Your continued support fuels this movement that I have on building this community of visionaries. So until next time, keep building, keep leading, never stop pursuing your vision. The Visionary Chronicles is where we make the future and follow those bold enough to see it through. So thank you for tuning into the Visionary Chronicles today. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe. But more importantly, if you know someone who may enjoy what we talk about in the Visionary Chronicles, please share that with them. Always appreciate it. Appreciate that. And whenever you leave a review, it obviously helps me to extend our voice to other leaders that are looking to the steps to becoming visionary. So I appreciate that when you do leave a review as well. So when we talk about the next steps, these groundbreaking episodes we're going to come up with some interviews. And I'd mentioned it before, but it's through the art of artificial intelligence that we're able to bring some of these visionaries back to life. I can tell you, this took a very long time. The book took anywhere from 12 to 18 months to write. But this visionary interviews that we're talking about with some of the leaders that we'll bring back to life and interview them again is, number one, intimidating to interview Albert Einstein or Steve Jobs, but extremely difficult. So hopefully you appreciate as we do these visionary interviews, and those will be coming up in the next few weeks here. So we'll have more episodes here throughout the book as we go chapter by chapter. So as we wrap up this episode of the Visionary Chronicles, as a reward for those that are listening and part of our community, I have an exciting opportunity on the release of the book, The Visionary Leaders, 6 Principles of the World's Greatest Visionaries. It's nearing its release. I can tell you it's been a long time coming on June 30th. And I'm inviting you to be part of this journey. So whether you're an aspiring leader, seasoned entrepreneur, or just simply seeking some personal growth, the Visionary Leader will guide you on that journey and hopefully support you on your journey. So let's take those steps together. And if you'd like to receive an ebook and share your thoughts as an early reviewer on Amazon, would certainly appreciate it. You can claim your copy on BookFunnel, and there's a link on the podcast episode here as to where to go to get that ebook. And the Visionary Leader is also available for pre-order, which also helps us extend the reach of the Visionary Leader as well. So until next time, keep innovating, keep leading, keep shaping the future. And thank you for your continued support. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. And I also look forward to the next Visionary Chronicles And once again, thank you for your time. Have a great day, and we'll talk again soon on the Visionary Chronicles.